tomorrow at around 7 o'clock in the morning, that is the 10th, the South Goa counting of assembly votes will start and will conclude tomorrow itself at the Mother College. So the traffic police have drawn a very elaborate arrangement for tomorrow, which I want to share with all the public members, because I don't want any chaos tomorrow in that area, because the roads are narrow in Peda area and we have got a limited parking space available. So I will share with you the parking circulation and the parking plan, the traffic circulation and the parking plan for tomorrow. The traffic which is coming from Peda side, that is Khareban side to Peda, will be stopped in front of the Montipio quarters, that is the police quarters. And immediately left to that is a open space, open ground, that will be used for the parking of the candidates and the counting agents of the candidates who are coming for to attend the counting arrangement. In a similar way, the vehicles of the candidates who are coming for the counting will not be allowed beyond that underpass. For tomorrow, I am closing down the ring road, which is coming from Benaulim side towards Margao. Then that road will be used for parking, because I am expecting a spillover from the Montipio ground, and that spillover will be accommodated on that side. From that area, from the two blocked points, all people, all general public, that is the candidates and their counting agents, will walk to the counting center. Besides that, there are other, like Loyola grounds, we are accommodating the press and the police vehicles, as well as the other RO's vehicles in that area. Observers' vehicles will be allowed inside, and the counting agents who are coming, the counting staff of the collectorate, will be parking at the Vidya Vikas college area. Now, after these two main blockades, that is at Khareband and towards this side at that Royal Treat area, there are a lot of residents. जे पळय locals थंय आमचे मडगांवचे locals जे पळय पेडा एरियेन आनी जे पळय कोंबा एरियेन रावता, they need not fear. आमी locally available staff जो पळय आसा मडगांवचो, we have put at these blocked points. So all these known faces and known people will be allowed to their residence. They can come and go at any time. There will be least inconvenience caused to the residents, as well as the other schools which are operating in that area, if at all they operate tomorrow. So for all purposes, I am expecting a very smooth arrangement tomorrow. It is my humble request and an appeal to all the candidates, their counting agents and the staff involved to please cooperate with the traffic police, so that least inconvenience is caused to everybody. Thank you. Any questions?
So this Loyola side will be open?
No, Loyola side I am closing for general public, means the people who are usually passing through. जे पळय लोक हांगाच्यान मडगांवच्यान पेडांतल्यान जे पळय usually वताले, that I am not going to allow. And for your information, the railway overbridge work which was going on, we have temporarily stopped as of today. He has promised to hand over the ROB to me, and again day after tomorrow the work will commence on that thing. So for tomorrow that bridge, the railway overbridge, will be opened for the public, just to facilitate, because we are going to close down Peda area or restrict the vehicles in the Peda area. Any other question, please? I am expecting maximum cooperation from everybody for this arrangement. Please join hands with the traffic police so that least inconvenience is caused to all. Thank you.
Any days for the ring road, Margao ring road? Which is another entry point.
Yeah. We are closing down most of the entries which are leading towards the Peda side. Temporarily it is for a few things. If we find that the ring road is manageable with the parking available, then we will open it. So that I leave to the concerned in charges who are managing the point. With consultation with me, we will take that decision at the right time.